Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. DeLonghi Magnifica Plus. The DeLonghi Magnifica Plus is a premium, fully automatic bean-to-cup coffee machine that excels at one-touch milk drinks and espresso customization. With an intuitive 3.5-inch color touchscreen and built-in latte crema system, it easily bridges the gap between high-end cafe quality and countertop convenience. Beverages. Up to 18 customizable recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, americano, and iced coffee. Interface: 3.5-inch TFT color touchscreen with step-by-step visual guidance and smart one-touch intelligence. Milk system: latte, crema automatic frother with a manual dial to adjust foam texture, light, creamy, or dense. Profiles: supports up to 4 distinct user profiles to save personalized strength, volume, and temperature preferences. Grinder: integrated conical burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings. Design: compact footprint, approximately 9.5 inches wide by 14 inches high by 17.5 inches deep, with a 60-ounce, 1.8-liter, removable water tank. Exceptional milk foam. The latte crema system creates velvety, cafe-quality microfoam. The ability to manually tweak foam density means you can perfectly match your milk texture to your drink of choice, be it a flat white or a latte. Intelligent menu and customization. The large touchscreen is a massive upgrade over older models like the Magnifica Evo. It uses helpful animations, clearly guides you through maintenance, and allows deep control over coffee-to-milk ratios. Excellent espresso extraction. The updated brewing system doses up to 15 grams, allowing for deeper, richer, and more intense espresso shots. I'm happy to report that there's very little to say about cleaning and descaling the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus, which is a good thing, right? During my testing, I particularly appreciated how easy it was to see what needs to be done thanks to the fantastic color screen. Number 2. Breville, the Bambino Plus. The Breville, the Bambino Plus is an outstanding entry to mid-level espresso machine that brilliantly balances a beginner-friendly automatic workflow with high-end, cafe-quality performance. It features an incredibly fast 3-second thermojet heat-up time, a 3-way solenoid valve for dry pucks, and an exceptional automatic milk frother. The automatic steam wand, the true standout of the Plus model. You simply place your milk pitcher on the drip tray, align the temperature sensor, and press the button. It automatically creates glossy, cafe-quality microfoam for latte art with 3 preset levels for texture and temperature. Thermojet heating and PID. Flash heats water to the optimal temperature in just 3 seconds, meaning virtually no wait time when pulling back-to-back shots. Digital temperature control, PID, keeps the water strictly within optimal brewing parameters. Pre-infusion and pressure. The machine slowly ramps up to 9 bars of pressure, gradually saturating the grounds for a more even extraction and sweeter, more balanced espresso. Accessories. Comes with a standard 54mm portafilter, single and dual wall, pressurized and unpressurized filter baskets, a stainless steel milk jug, and a tamper. Superb milk texture. The hands-free auto-steaming consistently yields microfoam comparable to high-end commercial machines. Beginner-friendly, yet capable. The volumetric shot buttons are perfect for newcomers, but experienced baristas can use the long press feature to control manual pre-infusion and bypass volume limits. 3-way solenoid valve. Unlike the standard Bambino, the Plus features a solenoid valve that releases pressure from the portafilter instantly, preventing sneeze and allowing you to easily knock out dry, clean pucks. If you primarily drink lattes or flat whites and want cafe-level milk and espresso without having to learn complex manual techniques, the Breville the Bambino Plus is one of the best investments you can make at this price point. Exceptional milk foam. The Latte Crema system creates velvety cafe-quality microfoam. The ability to manually tweak foam density means you can perfectly match your milk texture to your drink of choice, be it a flat white or a latte. Number 3. Philips Series 3300EP 3341/50. The Philips Series 3300EP 3341/50. Latte Go is an excellent entry to mid-level super-automatic espresso machine that scores high marks for milk system maintenance and quiet operation, but delivers only average espresso strength due to a relatively small maximum coffee dose per cycle. It represents a meaningful upgrade over the older 3200 series, specifically fixing the loud grinding issues of past generations. Latte Go Milk System. This is the machine's biggest selling point. Unlike traditional automatic machines that rely on internal rubber tubes that trap mold, the Latte Go uses a two-piece click-together carafe with 0 hidden channels. You simply split it apart and rinse it. Silent brew. Dampening. Expert reviewers note that the machine is roughly 40% quieter during the grinding phase than its predecessor. It minimizes early morning disruptions in quiet households. One-touch presets. The full-color touchscreen panel provides quick navigation for 6 programmed drinks: espresso, coffee, iced coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and hot water. 100% ceramic grinder. Features a durable 12-step adjustable ceramic burr grinder. Ceramic burrs transfer less heat to the beans during grinding, preserving delicate aromatic oils. Pre-infusion and pressure. The machine slowly ramps up to 9 bars of pressure, gradually saturating the grounds for a more even extraction and sweeter, more balanced espresso. Accessories. Comes with a standard 54mm portafilter, single and dual wall, pressurized and unpressurized filter baskets, a stainless steel milk jug, and a tamper. Superb milk texture. The hands-free auto-steaming consistently yields microfoam comparable to high-end commercial machines. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch BES 880BSS. The Breville Barista Touch is a premium user-friendly espresso machine bridging the gap between manual and automatic. It features an intuitive touchscreen, an integrated conical burr grinder, and an automatic steam wand, making it an excellent choice for beginners and busy households. Intuitive touchscreen. Allows you to swipe and select from 5 pre-programmed cafe favorites: espresso, americano, latte, flat white, cappuccino, and save up to 8 personalized drink profiles. Integrated grinder. Built-in conical burr grinder with 30 grind settings and dose control to ensure a precise, fresh grind every time. Thermojet heating system. Achieves optimal extraction temperature in a rapid 3 seconds. Automatic milk. Texturing. The hands-free steam wand automatically delivers barista-quality microfoam at your preferred temperature, 110 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and texture level. Digital PID control monitors and regulates water temperature for a consistent, balanced extraction. Price. It is a significant splurge, often retailing around $1,000. Countertop footprint. The large 67-ounce water reservoir and integrated components take up a considerable amount of kitchen space. Maintenance needed. Requires consistent upkeep, including wiping the steam wand after use, emptying the drip tray, and running periodic cleaning cycles. Number 5. Ninja Luxe Cafe. The Ninja Luxe Cafe, priced around $500, is a highly versatile 3-in-1 espresso, drip, and cold brew machine. It removes the guesswork from making cafe-quality drinks at home by featuring automated grinding, assisted tamping, and a hands-free auto-frother, making it ideal for beginners who want barista-style results without the learning curve. Barista Assist. The machine guides you through the prep process, offering weight-based dosing and a click-in tamper that ensures perfectly level pucks every time. 3-in-1. Versatility. It easily transitions from crafting hot, SCA standard espresso to traditional drip coffee and Japanese-style flash-chilled cold brew. Hands-free. Frothing. The custom milk pitcher features a magnetic stirring whisk that automatically creates velvety hot or cold foam. Integrated grinder. Built-in conical burr grinder with 25 distinct grind settings. What people love: zero brain power brewing. You don't need extensive barista skills. The automated workflow practically pulls a flawless shot for you. Incredible value. Getting an integrated scale, assisted tamping, and automatic cold foam at this price point is a massive disruptor in the entry-level espresso market. Ease of cleaning. The machine includes automated purge and auto-clean cycles. Heavy automation. For seasoned coffee enthusiasts who prefer to manually micromanage their brew ratios, extraction times, and manual steaming, this level of automation can feel limiting. Countertop footprint. It is a large, bulky machine, which may not be ideal for smaller kitchens, though a smaller Mini Plus version exists.